and you just pick up. Come to the other side. Then you check in here. This particular site you see in here, you click on more. Then under the more, there you have pages there where you're gonna add more pages. You're gonna have that. The design you wish to make use of. There are more thousands of designs there. So under the browser icon, I will, or you can share the social sharing and the logo title. Any of the three works for you. Let's check that for the browsing icon first. You add a favicon, so you can add any of that favicon. That's you take picture now. So any which you wanted to add. You come to social sharing. The social sharing also either from any app or from your gallery. You can choose that input. And logo and title also. You move to that. You choose any of your logo or your site title logo, whatever you want to add. You add it there. Then you are gonna move back. After that has been done, you move back to the box. You go to pages. You wanted to add more pages to it. Then you add your pages, everything intact there. So under the pages, you added the page, the designs you want. You had the designs also, as I said. And you through that, you move to the marketing. The marketing you want, either you want them, you make use of your CEO, or you want to make use of the other one, which is Pinterest there. The second is Pinterest Save button. You can see. So anyone you choose out of the two, you pick. Then you move to the next one. You fill in that. That's the settings. So when you move to settings, that means you want to set everything pertaining to the account you're setting up. Then when you set, so yeah, you're gonna set your settings, and after you set up that, you can go back and these notifications, every message is sent to you from the website itself. That's where you get the notifications and the help. If there is any issue you want to discuss with them, you click the help now. And likewise, the account you're opening, if you give it a title like the name of your business or anything you have there, you wanted to create that for. For instance, we use this for the Nakin Ventures. Although this is emails, then this email can be used for that. So you can just give it a title. That's your site title. That's gonna show at the heading. Then after that, you move away from that option there. You can go back to your normal home screen. You understand what I'm saying? I mean, the normal home screen. So you press back to the home. Then you come to analytics. This the place you're gonna see all your revenues, the units sold, their order you've made, likewise the traffic overview, the unique visitors you have, people who visited your website, likewise the page view, people who view the page or the website itself. So here is all the place where all the activities is going to show up. And this is our activities lodge. So as I said, all activities we want to be responsible to be saved there. The geographic, because the areas where people have click on those activities and where you've been seen. Traffic sources also. So this is the last times you've checked on, and the times you've logged in that particular site, and times people logged in or check your content. And this is the site content itself. This is where you're gonna save everything you have as content. The ones you've saved there, the ones you haven't saved. I'm sorry for the network. Network is bad. So Google search keywords. Then you can and after that you can connect from that. So when you connect to that. Learn more. Google search keyword. You connect with Google straight direct. So that anyone who is looking for you on Google can easily find the name of that your title or the company you're creating the website instantly on Google. So it won't give them much problems on that. Purchase funnel. These are things that have been purchased by you. The form submission. Likewise, we have the RSS subscribers. That's the device types. The place where those people either on phone, Android phone, or system, or on tablet, any of the three. The button click, likewise the top product that are being what the people ordered for. Yeah, you're gonna see that. Abandoned chats that are not even being attended to. This is where you're gonna find that. You understand what I'm saying? So since we have no record for that, yeah, But after you set up those things, I've told you gradual steps, you're gonna get that. Okay, so that's all about that on that. Then let's move to selling. The products we put there, which are the pages and all things. Here you have the project docs, you what you add, if you want to add a product. The other, you start new transaction, you create discount codes, and of course you create what is store. So that store is most important for your product. If you don't create store, you can do any other things there. So you start that. The transaction, that simply means you add your what you had or what you need to add pertaining to what to your account that you want to receive the money from. Locations are disabled, so you have to on the location for that. You go to setting on your location. But once you have in that, next thing you're gonna do is to create discount code. The discount you want to give to your promo. Now the name is shown to the customer on the checkboard. The trigger, that's the name of the product you write it. The trigger, the promo code you give them. You generate code. If you don't have anyone you want to code there, then you generate. That will give you. That's if you have put on a product there. The promotion percent off. That is what percentage of what you want to give there apply to any order. You also fix that. Either any order or any other things. So limit total usage or uses. Are you there? When you limit the total uses, it will be limited for some time. And you limit one per customer. That means you limit one per customer. So what of it you're gonna limit it for a customer, okay? So each customer coming, we have that discount once, and it will be once. So never expires. You want it to be never expires. That is always, all the time. You're giving them the discount. This will be what will be switched on. So that's all about that. Advise this and this. You switch it on if you like. This starts and this expires. The date you want it to begin, the date you want. For instance, some organizations they have a day you're gonna give. Okay, it's gonna start so time. You give promo. So date before this and that and that. So that date is what you're gonna put there. I believe with this you should be able to understand what we're talking about in that. And after you're through with that, you press decide, which is save. So when you save it, it will show up over there. Thanks very much for that. Then let's move on that again. You can also come on discount, as I said. This discount also, everything is there. Everything you have there is also there. So you want you do the same thing to that. And I think you're good to go with your website if all this have been set. Then it will ask for this 30 day. It's in this analytical for just 30. After 30 days, you continue that. It said you are on the premium hacking. So let's go back to the home. Then how is your experience so far? What we have done, you can pick any of this. Either love or not, pick love, okay? So that means you've really enjoyed that. And there you can go to download the app itself on your phone. Set up the point of sales. This is how you set up the point of your sales. So this is the most important aspect of that. Point of sales simply means a place where your customer will come to and buy whatever you have broadcasted or anything you put on your product there. So all the money will be transferred and redirected to your account you have given here. So look at what it says. It says location disabled. So it will need your location one, and it's going to lead your so you have to next that move on. It will lead you to the next page. That's 2 or 4. You see. So you have 4 things to do there, and so make sure your Square account is fully set up. Then sign in to start accepting payment. So you have to set it vividly. If you need any other on that, you can call on me. The next thing we have there after you've set up your point of sales, visit help. That's if you have any assistance on that. Either you fix it and they're telling you there is one thing or the other you ought to fix. So that is just all. You're good to go. This is the most simplest way in which you can prepare your website. Thanks very much, everybody. I appreciate you. This is Danaki Invention. Subscribe and always like. Comment. Thanks very much.